Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. Today's project is for CutFile Tuesday, and I used two different cut files and I just filled a complete 12 by 12 paper with it. And I had the great idea to color this whole paper with shimmerz products. And the things I will use, they are two sprays. One is a spritz called Cotton Candy. The other one is a wipes called Mango Tango. And then I have 6 different little pots, and 2 are creamies. They are Dandelion and Berry Hot. Then we have 3 inklings, Meet Me at Sunset, Precious Posy, and Naughty or Nice. And the last color is a original shimmerz paint, I believe, and this one is Orange Sherbet. Sherbet, yeah. This is just plain white cardstock. I have no gesso or anything else on the paper. And now I'm just adding water, and then I'm going in with the colors. And I just wanted to have a very colorful filled paper with different colors, and I just wanted to have beautiful fall leaves, and they are in all different colors. I know we don't have purple leaves in the nature, I guess, but I wanted to have them, and so I'm just going for it. I'm just mixing the colors, adding a lot of water, a lot of color, and I'm totally fine with working on my cutting mat from the silhouette. There will no color on top of the mat, so I'm totally fine with that. And once I am done, I think I will color a few leaves, a few more leaves, and then I will stop on one point, because you don't need to watch me doing that for the next 10 minutes or so. So I'm just giving you a quick look what I am doing. And once the color is down, I will just go over it with my heat tool to dry them. And then the finishing touches are some gold splatters in 2 different gold colors. And I'm using my Gansai Tambi Starry Colors, a set of 6 awesome gold shades, but you will see that in a second, and I believe I will stop now, and then you will see the colors I'm using for the splatters. I am working with the gorgeous September kits. They are included. I'm so sorry. There are lots of Pink Fresh Studio stuff inside and lots of exclusive things. And once I figured out what I want to do with my leaves and the complete layout, I just knew I wanted to have colored leaves. So I will think about that in a second. And then I will start to look into the ephemera pieces and the die cuts, the stickers, the chipboard pieces. There's so much stuff to use. But now first I am done with my splattering, and I totally love how this is looking. And now I will take the time to peel off all of the leaves, and then I totally fell in love with a leftover piece, so I thought maybe I could use that on my page too. And so I will rip this paper apart, and I will have maybe a 5-inch paper strip with 2 rows of open leaf areas. And I just love how this is looking, and so I don't want to waste it, and so I'm using it. Now I will grab a little scissors to distress the edges for more dimension, and I will glue everything down with my hot glue gun, just because I love the instant dimension and the shadows that's giving, and it's very quick, and I love to use it when I have the paper is very dimensional because of the liquid I added, and so I totally love to use hot glue for this, just because I want to get sure everything will stay in place. So And now you can see I finally decided for a picture, and I'm going with a picture from me and my hubby. And we just took that the other day, and so it's a fall picture. And I love the colors, and so I'm just going for it. Yeah, now I'm starting to play around with all of the leaves and the directions, and I was totally not sure, so this will take me some time. But once I am done with my decisions, I will glue everything down, and then we will work on the rest. And I am totally happy how this page came together, and I totally love. I love how the leaves are looking. They are so shiny, and I love the gold touches on top. And I am just deeply in love. So now this is the way I want to have my background and all of the leaves, and then I will stop. I will take the time to glue everything down, to cut off the excess from the single leaves. Here you go, everything is down on the paper, and I love it. And now I had a look into the Pink Fresh Studio Ephemera pieces, and I decided to go with some very dark blue leaves, just because I love how this is looking. I love the contrast. I just love how the leaves are peeking out from the bright colored ones, and I'm just happy. I had a few options for my title. First, I wanted to use this little thing that said "enjoying every moment" or minute, and this "so happy." But I will change that. I will go with a circle from the Pink Fresh Studio that is with "love this," and I just love the white, how this is resting on top of the colored leaves. And here I will go with a purple title, and it's "Home Life." And I just love to bring in the purple again. And then I would just add a few little things like this puffy heart. And then I will add 3 clear stickers and some animal dots. Oh yeah, and the "so happy" circle. But next to that, I am totally done, and I totally love it. So just looking, but I will not add too much more because it's very busy already. So now we are bringing in 3 little clear stickers, and I don't know which. "Home Life with You" is amazing, and "Love You." And then I will grab the animal dots, and then I am done. And I love it. I really love it. I hope you love it too. And I hope you enjoyed this quick process video from me. And grab your kits, have some fun, create something beautiful, and check out the cut files in the HipKit Club store. They are all amazing. So I will link you to the store, and you need to sign in to watch, to grab them. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you, and bye.